Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to center an image in your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see, we have the dashboard option, so on right here, and here we can see all the websites that we have created. Here we have the button to go ahead and create a new website if you want, but for today's video guys, we'll be using this website right here I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here, and this will now open up the website in designer mode. So guys, if you look at the left and right side of the screen, you will see options for editing this website. At the left side of the screen, you can use these options for adding new elements and features to your website. You have the add elements option. Here you can see your components, you can see your site settings and so on. And the right side of the screen, we can use these options to go ahead and edit and style those elements that we add to our website. We have the style option, the element settings and so on. So yeah guys, as you can see, we are greeted by this page, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down all the way down until I find a picture that I have added to the website. As you can see, I have added a picture right here. So let's say that you have added a picture and now it is somewhere right here. Let's say it is right at the left side of the page, but you want to center it and you want to put it right in the middle of the page. Well guys, what you have to do is go ahead and look at the right side of the screen under the style option. You want to go ahead and find this option right here called position. It will probably be static for you. As you can see, when it is static, you cannot move the image. So what we want to do is go ahead and select relative. When selecting relative, now we can go ahead and select where we want to move the image by using this option right here. You can edit the position. As you can see, now we can go ahead and edit the position of the image. As you can see, now we can move it wherever we want. We can move it up and down if we want, up and down, and you can find the perfect place for your image and you can center it anywhere that you want. And after you're done, just leave it there and it will automatically be saved. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.